Hey guys, Makeup Side here. Welcome back to my channel for those who aren't new, and welcome to those who are new. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button before we get started. On this video, it's kind of different. It's been highly requested from my Snapchat followers. Shout outs to you, boo. To do my eyelash tutorial. Now, mind you, I'm not a professional, and honestly, I just been practicing so much that I feel like I was comfortable enough to show you guys and teach you guys how to do it yourself. But these are not extension. These are not lash extension. They are extensions, like of course they're extensions, but they're not like the minks or anything like that. These are strictly from the beauty supply. They come in a package like this, and yeah, these are a more easier, more affordable way to do your lashes without spending a ton of money on getting them done. So if you would like to see how I did my eyelash extensions, then just keep on watching. So as you guys just seen, I have here, I know I'm like super close up, thank God. Don't worry about that bump. She about to be disappeared. She about to get evicted tomorrow. Trust and believe me. But I already took it out the pack. These are the long, oh my God. These are the long ones, the Remy Premium Virgin Hair Natural Double Eyelashes, and these are the knot free ones, because the knot ones you can just see it, and that's not cute. So we just gonna go ahead and do it without the knots. To do is start with freshly mascaraed. Is that even a word? Mascaraed. Put mascara on those lashes, sis. Mascaraed. That is so ghetto. Oh my God. We just gonna put some mascara on our eyelashes to prep them for our lashes, so that way we can just press them on there. So I just put like a little small dollop on this packaging, and I'm just gonna let it dry just a little bit, get like a little tacky, and then we're gonna go ahead and get started. So what I'm gonna do is take a piece off. Now be really careful, because you don't want to pull any hairs off like I did. So it's pretty much like trial and error, and you want to face the lash towards you. I know it looks really small, you can barely see it, but you want to face the lash towards you. Like as you can see where the knot is, you want to face it towards you so it could be easier to boop, pop on. So I thought my camera was recording this all the time, but it wasn't. I put 2 lashes on already, and you guys can see the long ones. Only thing I basically did was separate them and put like a gap in between, so that way if by chance it was too thick for me, I could, you know, be able to go in between them and like fill it in. So like grab it and make sure that the curl part is facing away from you, and the, you know, knot part is facing you. So that way it's, like I said, it's easier to pop it on. So like I said, I grabbed a piece of the glue, got a little bit of it. So as you can see, I have a gap in between these two. I'm gonna go ahead and place this one that I have in my hand in between those two. So right on the lash line. I'm just like pressing it on there. Okay, so I put 3 down already, and I'm going to put a 4th one right on the side of this one right here, and place it right on my waterline, just like that. Okay, so I like mine to be like a little fuller in the back than it is in the front. As you guys can see, I like it like a little more cat eye, if that makes sense. So I usually stop the long lashes like halfway through, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just continue the steps, making it and then stopping right where you see my lash stops, because the rest of my lashes are pretty short, so you're not able to see them. But I'm stopping right where you see my last long lash, and then I'm going to start on the short. So yeah. And honestly, I'm putting them in between each lash. So when you see me like pushing them, I'm pushing them in between the lashes. So that's why it's looking really seamless, because I'm placing them in between the lash. So like, I'm not necessarily like separating the lash, if that makes sense. I'm just like placing them where I feel like the natural lash grows, so it can look more natural. So yeah. Okay, so this one is the last lash on my lash band right here. So then I'm going to switch to the short ones and start putting a few of them in the front. Like on the other lash, I honestly only used about 6 of them, or 5, I believe, because there's only 6 missing, so I think I ripped one of them. But yeah, be very careful when you're taking them out of the pack, because the tweezer can just so happen to pull out some pieces of hair. So just be really careful when it comes to taking them out the pack. But now I'm gonna go ahead and start on the short, and I'm doing it to my liking. So if you want more long and you like more of a dramatic, fuller look, then by all means keep going with the long or mediums, whichever one you prefer. But I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the shorts. And that's just because I like that cat eye effect. And mind you, the reason why I have the scissors is because I am going to cut a few of these, like these 2 in the front, because I want it to look more like leveled and more natural like. So that's why I have the scissors there.